everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I just want to take a couple of minutes and say thank you to everybody who has been subscribing to me over the last couple of months. We did hit 200 subscribers in December, about a week before Christmas, so thank you guys. And we just hit 300 subscribers this week. Actually, I think it was Saturday. We hit 300 subscribers, so thank you all so much for being here, for watching me. This is going to be a little bit of a shorter video today, but I did just want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I am going to do a giveaway for 300 subscribers. I'm actually going to be giving away 3 different things for this giveaway, primarily because, well, we'll see. I'll show you here in a second and explain. Specifically, what I wanted to do is just say a big thank you to everybody who continues to support me, continues to come back and view my videos. Again, I am going to be giving away 3 products this time around. I don't know that I'll be able to continue to grow and give 4 at 400, 5 at 500, you know what I mean? But these products I did all get on sale. They were weekly wows at Sephora. So, well, 2 of them were. The third one I did get on sale, but so they weren't like super expensive, but I did purchase all 3 of these products. So, let's go ahead and talk about the 3 products, and then I will tell you the rules to the giveaway. So first and foremost, I'm going to be giving away this little 4-piece set from Bite Beauty. It is the Perfect Bite Mousse Bouche Lipstick. There are 4 in here, and I do actually have this myself. So there are 4 different lipsticks in here. I will show you. That's actually what I'm wearing right now. So this is the one I'm giving away, and here is mine. I do have, again, the 4 lipsticks. The one I have on is this one right here, which is Honeycomb. That is what's on my lips today. So I do actually really like these. If you've never tried Bite Beauty before, they do have a nice flavor to them, and they do feel nice. They are food grade products, so they're hopefully, at least in theory, not as detrimental to you as maybe some of the other products that are out there that have a little bit lower quality perhaps of products in them. So this will be, I will be giving away again. This is from their Christmas collection. You can see it does say Joy here, but I did purchase this, I believe in February. It was on sale, so I did pick this up. So that is prize number 1, and we'll say it's Bite Beauty. The next item in here is also a holiday product that came out during holidays of 2017. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette. This one's in the box. I'll show you mine here in a second, but there are all the colors. I am wearing this on my eyes today. Here's my palette. You can see I've used it some. I haven't used it a ton, but I have used it some. It's got a lot of really pretty colors and just some really amazing different types of things. So I do have this on my eyes today. I do enjoy this palette. It's not, you know, it's a little bit different. So if you have like the Modern Renaissance palette and that's more of your style, this one is definitely a little bit different. Like I said, it's got the different pops of color, but you can also do some pretty normal looks with it as well. Like I said, this is actually on my eyes today, so I'm not wearing like Sphere. You know, I do have Saturn on my eyes. I also have Dimension. I have Lucid. And I have a little bit of Eden and a little bit of Unity. Oh, I'm sorry, and Lore. This like purple mauve shade up here I do have on. So I do have this right now. I also have another palette on my eyes, but so I'm going to be giving away the ABH Prism palette. And then finally, the third giveaway I'm going to have is this one right here. This is the Tarte Clay Play 1 palette. So they did discontinue this product. I did, like I said, got this on a weekly wow. It was 50% off. But they discontinued this because they came out with a Clay Play 2 palette. There's been a lot of controversy about the Clay Play 2 palette. But here is my Clay Play palette. I do really enjoy this. I actually purchased mine from Tarte. I had seen a video from Nakia Joy where she said, like, she did a whole video just on this palette, and she did a full face with the exception of mascara using this palette. So I was very impressed. I went out and I got it off the Tarte website. I think I had like a 20 or 25% off coupon or something like that, and I bought this for myself. And then when it did go at 50% off on Sephora, I went ahead and picked up a second one because I liked it and I knew I wanted to give it away. So, there has been some controversy about Clay Play 2, but this one is not available anymore. And if you go out and you see other videos on YouTube, you'll see that a lot of people really love this palette, but the Clay Play 2, not so much. So I do have this on my eyes as well today. I have the color Sand and the color Ember and a little bit of Timber as well. So I did use both of these palettes to do my eye look today. Because I knew I was going to be filming this video and I wanted to show off a little bit of what I was able to come up using these 3 products. So I am going to be giving all 3 of these away, like I said, and mainly because, I mean, I had purchased them believing that I was going to be using them in a giveaway, and because they discontinued the Clay Play 1 palette, and then the other 2 are holiday palettes, I wanted to get them out now because I don't know how long it's going to take me to get to maybe 400 or 500 subscribers, and I don't want you guys thinking that I've got these products just sitting around, because I really don't. I mean, I do have some things in my giveaway drawer from beauty boxes that I'm going to be giving away here soon. But, you know, these are products that I did purchase with my own money. And I wanted to just give a little bit back to you guys because you do come back and watch me. So, in order to win this giveaway, I know you're probably wondering what the rules are. So, in order to win this giveaway, the rules are this. You do have to be subscribed to my channel. So if you aren't already and you want to be entered into my giveaway, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And of course, if you feel like it, you could also hit the little bell to get notified when I do upload new videos. Right now, since the beginning of 2018, I have been successful in uploading videos every single Monday through Friday. So I've tried to be really good about that, making sure that I'm doing 5 videos a week. Then you also need to put a comment in the comment section down below. I need you to put one of 3 different comments. What I'm looking for is Bite, B-I-T-E, if you're interested in the Amuse Bouche lipstick, the Perfect Bite Kit. Again, B-I-T-E for the lipstick. For the Prism palette, if you just put ABH for Anastasia Beverly Hills, ABH for this palette. And then to get the Tarte Clay Play palette, just put Tarte, T-A-R-T-E. So I need you to put Tarte, ABH, or Bite, depending on the product that you would like to be entered to win. So I need you to only pick one product. Please don't spam the comment section, because if you do, you will have to be disqualified. And I will also need some way to contact you. So leave me your email address or your Instagram or your Twitter. Or if you want to be contacted by direct message on YouTube. When I will be leaving the contest open for 1 week. So the close date will be in the description as well as up here in the corner. But make sure it's something that you're going to check within 24 hours, because I am going to contact you and let you know that you are the winner, if you are the winner, and then I will ask for your mailing address. So you do need to be 18 or older or have your parents' permission so that I can get your delivery address to mail these products to. The giveaway is open worldwide. And the winners will be contacted the day after the contest closes. I'm going to use one of the random comment generators that you can find online, and I will pick the first 3 that are unique. So if I use it and I get an ABH and then a second ABH, the second one wouldn't be the winner. The first one would be the winner, and I'll continue to go until I get all 3 prizes given away. So I think that's it. I thank you for being here with me. I thank you for being a subscriber. And anytime you share my videos or talk about my videos with other people, I do appreciate that as well. And I just want to give a little bit back. I've been very blessed, and I do continue to hope to grow. And, I'm just very excited to have you guys here with me and be appreciating the content that I am able to put out for you. So there you have it. That's my 300 subscriber giveaway. I do hope we continue to grow, and I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. But for this specific video, again, put Tarte, T-A-R-T-E, ABH for the Prism palette, or Bite if you want the lipstick. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button. Otherwise, you won't be able to win my giveaway. And again, leave that comment in the comment section down below, Tarte, Bite, or ABH. And you might be the lucky winner of one of these 3 products. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you continue to come back and see me Monday through Friday. And I will see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.